Here we will write a Python program to print multiplication table using recursion. So first in comment line we will write. For this we will define function multiplication with two parameters as n and I, where n is a number and I is a counter. Since we are going to print the multiplication table up to 10, so we will check if I less than or equal to 10. If this condition is true, we will print multiplication. So print, first we will print n, that is number, then we will print multiplication sign, then comma, I, comma, then we will print equal to sign, and then we will print n into I. And then we will call this function itself, that is multiplication, and we will pass n and I plus 1 as a parameter. Then outside the function we will accept the number for which we are going to print multiplication table. So n equal to int input enter number, and we will call the function multiplication and we will pass n and 1 as a parameter, where n is a number for which we are going to print the multiplication table and 1 is a starting position for printing the multiplication table. And we will execute this. I will give number 5. It will print multiplication table as 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3 up to 5 into 10. We can print here message. So print multiplication table for n, and we execute. I will give 5. It will print multiplication table for 5 and it will print table as 5 into 1, 5 into 2 up to 5 into 10. Here as long as value of I is less than or equal to 10, it will call the function itself, that is multiplication.